Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Rania.
What are you doing in Laurel First today?
I came in to get some TLC for my stole, so it needs a little repair on the lining, and we're gonna put a hook here so that it can be closed.
And we'll get it clean and glazed.
Yes,
Beautiful. And I guess you're going to do some shopping now, huh?
yes,
Is
shopping needed.
All right, sounds good. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So this is what Rania found. A full-length wrench mink coat. Turn around, Rania. What do you love about this?
I love the length, I love the color, and the fur feels so nice.
I love the top. The collar of it is gorgeous. It matches your hair. It looks beautiful.
Classic piece.
Well, it's a great thing you came in today. Enjoy it.
Thank you.